Hi, Stuart here from Agro, and today I'm just having a look around some of the plots as we approach the spring work. Crops are really looking full of potential. However, we have to be really considerate of the fact that input costs are very, very high now. And with that, we have to think about how we get the most from them. And thinking about spray application, it's so important that we get every droplet from the can to the leaf as in the best possible condition, in the best possible way. And one of the ways we can do that is the inclusion of adjuvant Kantor. Now, Kantor works in three different key areas, and the first one being in the tank, the second one from the nozzle to the leaf or the target, and the third one is what happens when we hit the target. So let's just start off by thinking about what happens in the spray tank, because we get two benefits with Kantor in the spray tank. Firstly, we reduce the pH, which helps reduce any alkaline hydrolysis. But secondly, and perhaps more importantly, this spring, the early spring work is usually coinciding with heavy tank mixtures. So it could be 4, 5, 6 or even more products in the spray tank. On top of that, you might have low water volumes and very cold water. Both of those things and hard water are problematic when it comes to compatibility. Adding Kantor to the spray tank first can help improve compatibility, and as you can see from this video, this short experiment was conducted with a heavy micronutrient. You can see here that the flocculation on the left hand side tube where there was no Kantor is far worse than on the right hand side tube where Kantor was included. Thinking about then what happens from the nozzle to the target, you know, we're still getting some catchy weather. That's always going to be a problem. And if you've got a situation where the wind picks up or you're going a little bit faster, you're then going to be suffering a little bit from spray drift. Kantor has the ability to increase VMD, which means increasing volume, median diameter, the average size of the droplet. But almost more importantly, it reduces the number of droplets less than 100 microns. They're the really drifty ones. By reducing that, we're getting more product to where it needs to be and less flying off to where it shouldn't be. Lastly, when it hits the leaf, we're looking at retention, spreading and uptake. And many years of data has shown that those three things there are helping maximize disease control, improving PGR uptake and maximizing weed control. So with all that, we're seeing big improvements in all these areas, and there's lots more information on our website to have a look at. That's interagro.co.uk.